Nothing like realizing that your windshield washer pump doesn't work until, of course, you know, we get all the snow and then it's ice and crappy roads and stuff getting flung up on your windshield and you can't see. So luckily AutoZone had a windshield washer pump in stock, and yeah, take this thing out and see what's up, put the new one in. Suppose I can sit you down. It's really not much to get it out of here. I think it's just 2 bolts, one right there and one right there, I believe. So I'm going to take those 2 bolts out. Of course, it's always got to be super cold out when you got to work outside. It's like 17 degrees out right now, I think. These are 11 millimeter, by the way. Come on. Yeah, it's not even supposed to be this cold. We're not supposed to be getting the snow. We're supposed to be a high of like close to 50, if not 50, and a low of like 30 right now, I think it was like 3 degrees this morning when my girlfriend went to work. It's too damn cold. Okay, got those 2 out. A bit of a tight squeeze here with this air cleaner box right next to it. This is holding me up down here. Let's see. Can't see what is holding me up back there. There we go. Now, try to get this thing discombobulated back here. Ugh. Right there. And then I can get this out. So I'm going to do that and I'll bring it back. Well, there it is. It's out. The screen looks good and clean in there. So, I don't even know if I'm going to bother replacing the screen in it. I suppose I could. So it's got a new gig in it. But that was, look at how clean that was. Losing all my fluids. Losing all my fluids. Oh. Alright, let's hook her back up. Connect the hose back to her. Whoop. It's all over the place. Okay, hose back on it. Trying to get it kind of wrapped back into where it was. Not really want to cooperate, so just let it come up. Okay, before we get all this put back together, let's see if we have windshield wiper fluid action happening. Before I get it all bolted back down. Find my key. I'll be back. Alright, let's see if that took care of my issue. Sure hope it did, because it sucks not having windshield wiper fluid when you need it. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. I'm back in business. Very nice, very nice. Pretty easy fix too. Took me about, what, 5 minutes or so. Peace. Okay, so that was the issue. Bear with me. That was the issue with the windshield wiper fluid, was the pump. This little guy right here. I thought maybe it was going to be the filter, but I blew through it and it seemed pretty clear, and as you can see, there was no blockage, so I guess it was just this motor that took a crap. Easy fix. Put this back together here.